Hello guys, now I'm trying to install Java 21 in my machine. I'm using Windows. So I have typed like Java 21 download. Here I'm getting into the Oracle site. Then here Java 21 and 17 are available now, right? Now I have this Java 21. Now what I wanted is go to the Windows and there I have this installer, right? This one I will try to install. Okay, so basically you could see here they are giving the support up to how many years, September 2026, and here you can binaries are free to use in production and free to redistribute at no cost. Under what license? Oracle no free terms conditions license, right? Now if you see here, mine is already downloaded. Okay, now if I simply, yeah, now go here, now double click on this. Before to that, let me show you what version of Java installed in my machine. Basically, with the help of Java version, now you could see I'm running on Java 17, right? Now I'm planning to install Java 21. Okay, once you click on it, yes, now you could see it is trying to install Java 21 package. This folder will get created under Java. Okay, 21. Now it will take a 1 or 2 minutes of time to install all the related libraries. Okay, so what we can do in the meantime, now you could see it is completed. Click on the next tutorial to do something. Click on me close here. Now what I need to do is C and program files Java. Now I have Java 21, right? Take till the bin. Okay, take this path. Now go here to the Windows environment variable for your account. Okay, take that, and here Java path you have it. Take that, replace it with the 21, and you have the, if not, then you have to create this. Then go to the path, and here somewhere, now you could see here as well they are using it. That variable only you can use it here, or the actual value you can use this Java underscore home variable also you can use, or you can use something like this, not a big deal. Click on the OK, click here. Okay, now if I type, I think I need to restart my machine, but let me check again. Okay, yeah, no need of restart. Now you could see Java 21 is being installed in my machine. That is a small tutorial on how we can install Java 21 on Windows. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik.